Earth has a secret. A force so powerful that without it, life on this planet might not exist at all. A force that shields us from radiation, guides animals across continents, and even protects our atmosphere from being stripped away into space. And right now, that force is getting weaker. Stick around until the end, because the reasons behind this weakening magnetic field might reveal something far more mysterious about the future of the planet and the past. Let's start with something simple. Earth has a magnetic field because deep beneath our feet, molten metal is moving. About 3,000 kilometers down, the outer core, a swirling ocean of liquid iron and nickel, spins like a giant planetary dynamo. That motion generates electric currents, and those currents create the magnetic field that surrounds the Earth like an invisible shield. But here's the unsettling part. That shield is fading. Measurements over the last 200 years show Earth's magnetic field has weakened by nearly 10%, and the rate of decline isn't slowing down. Some regions, like the South Atlantic Anomaly, have become dramatically weaker, allowing radiation to dip closer to Earth's surface than ever recorded. So what's happening? One answer lies in the core. The molten iron currents that create the magnetic field don't flow smoothly. They twist, churn, and sometimes they fight each other. As these chaotic flows shift, the magnetic field above them changes. When the flows become unstable enough, the field can weaken so dramatically that it actually flips. Yes, flips. Earth's magnetic poles have switched places many times throughout history. North becomes south, south becomes north. It's happened at least 183 times that we know of. The last major flip was about 780,000 years ago. And for reasons scientists still don't fully understand, we might be overdue for the next one. But here's the twist. A magnetic reversal isn't instant. It begins with a slow weakening, exactly what we're seeing now. Then the field becomes patchy, strange, chaotic. Multiple magnetic poles can appear at the same time. Compasses stop pointing north. And during the transition, Earth becomes more vulnerable to solar storms, cosmic rays, and radiation. The question is, are we witnessing the early stages of this flip? Maybe. But there's something else, something even stranger. The planet's magnetic field doesn't just weaken during reversals, it also fluctuates for reasons we still don't understand. Some scientists believe hidden structures in the mantle, giant continent-sized blobs of dense rock, might disrupt the core's flow from below, like obstacles in a river. Others think the weakening might be linked to changes in Earth's rotation, the slowing of the planet's spin, or even ancient remnants of previous magnetic fields trapped inside the mantle. And then, there's an even more mysterious possibility. The magnetic field might be a window into Earth's deep memory, a record of past catastrophes and cycles, mass extinctions, climate shifts, volcanic winters. Many of them appear suspiciously close to periods of major magnetic instability. Some researchers believe the weakening magnetic field could signal a coming transformation, not just for the planet, but for life itself. In the past, magnetic upheavals may have coincided with bursts of evolution and dramatic shifts in species. It's as though Earth resets itself, not physically, but electromagnetically, and life changes in response. Right now, the field is weakening fastest over Africa and South America, where satellites glitch and radiation levels spike. The South Atlantic Anomaly grows larger every year. The core beneath Africa appears to be shifting in unusual ways, as though something deep down is struggling or reorganizing. And here's the part most people don't realize. If the field weakens enough, solar storms, the violent eruptions from the sun, could overload power grids, wipe out satellites, and disrupt the global technologies we depend on every day. A single massive solar event during a weakened magnetic period could plunge the world into the largest blackout in human history. But before this sounds like the end of the world, remember this. Earth has been through reversals before. Life survived. The planet adapted. Humans, animals, plants, everything living on Earth is more resilient than we often believe. The real mystery isn't whether the magnetic field is weakening. The real mystery is why it's happening now, and whether it's part of a larger cycle driven by forces we still don't fully understand. Earth is not static. It breathes, pulses, and changes. The magnetic field is just one of its signals, a whisper from the core, hinting at the rhythms of a planet that has been alive far longer than any of us. So the weakening magnetic field isn't just a scientific curiosity. It's a reminder that Earth is always moving, always shifting, always evolving. And maybe, this weakening is simply the beginning of the next chapter in the long story of our planet. And this is why Earth's magnetic field is getting weaker,